This is the grassland from where the skull and fingers of that person has been found. We are driving inside the core of Bandhavgarh National Park, and recently there was a news of human killing by the tiger. This is the exact same road where this happens. The person who was killed is living here with his brother-in-law and doing labor work, and at night he went missing, and later on a skull and fingers were found in a grassland in Bandhavgarh. So this is the first kind of news from this region, from the Khitoli range and that Galpuri village side. This is first time it happens. So what exactly has been done, what exactly has happened, no one knows. But near the site, the pugmark of Tigress has found, and the body is mutilated by the tiger itself. So it is a clear case of killing by the tiger. Still we cannot call it man-eater, because this is a sole incident happened, and it is beyond the criteria of declaring a tiger as man-eater. We are soon to reach that grassland. After that grassland, we will show you the place from where it is alleged that the man has been picked up by the tiger. अभी कितनी दूर है?
ये यहाँ से लग जाएगा ये टर्न से।
We are just about to reach that grassland. You are seeing the bridge in front of me. This is above that grassland only. This is the grassland from where the skull and fingers of that person has been found. A lot of time I have spotted tiger sleeping in the trees which we are seeing, in the shades of those trees. And this is the first incident happen. The wildlife and animal conflicts are rising. So there is one pond nearby, Badrishila pond. If we guys are lucky, we will see some sambar deer there. So let's see whether we can see them or not. They are cutting grasses. Okay, that grassland has name. क्या नाम है उस घास के मैदान का?
कुलवावा।
कुलवावा।
जी।
Kulwava. So that man lives nearby the Gadpuri, and whatever the reason is, I'm very doubtful that the tiger is actually a man-eater. It just happened. So if you are lucky, you will find tigers in this road, and elephants too. Yeah, भाई, yeah. This is Khitauli Gate, the infamous Khitauli. Recently, we have heard news of 10 animals died. It happened in the Khitauli range of Bandhavgarh, and from this place you can go into safari And not only about those 10 animal, the Chota Bheem, which found trap wire wrapped around his neck, is also from this range only. This goes to Magdi Gate, a gate for safari for Magdi Range. The Magdi Range is one of the most beautiful range of Bandhavgarh. Now we are reaching to Bhadrasila. And let's see whether we can find some sambar deer here or not. So, right now there is no one. While we are coming here, there were somebody deers. So there are water hens and cormorant and some ducks. How beautiful this route is. When we are going to Tala, there were lots of animals, but now it's not showing. What could be the reason? It's not even past half an hour. Okay, I will show you if something interesting comes. Okay, let's meet after some time. There is lots of spotted deer, if you can see. Let me zoom a bit. This is beauty of jungle. It's a herd of cheetal. Ah. Mm-hmm. So this is the region where a tigress is roaming along with her cubs, and lots of people are sighting her. There are lots of reported sighting of the cubs and the tigress happening almost every day. 2 days during the safari to buffer area, able to see her. And if you go lucky, then you can see her tiny cubs, the cute little babies. Some locals are saying it's dotty, but let's see. See how beautiful this is. Actually, this is a route to my resort where I'm staying, and just think if the route is like that, how beautiful the resort would be. Mm. So this is the region where a tigress is roaming along with her cubs, and lots of people are sighting her. There are lots of reported sighting of the cubs and the tigress happening almost every day. Tourists during the safari to buffer area are able to see her, and if you go lucky then you can see her tiny cubs, the cute little babies. Some locals are saying it's dotty, but let's see. See how beautiful this is. Actually, this is a route to my resort where I'm staying, and just think if the route is like that, how beautiful the resort would be.